Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all are perfectly fine. Students, as you all know that half-yearly exam is going to start soon. So, you have to start preparing your lessons nicely. Students, this is the revision video of chapter 4. And the chapter is more about plants. As you all know that there are different types of plants around us. Some plants are big and some are small. The different types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Big plants with huge wooden stems are called trees. Some examples of trees are apple tree, coconut tree, etc. Plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Some examples of shrubs are rose and hibiscus. Very small plants with soft stems are called herbs. Some examples of herbs are tulsi and mint. Some plants have weak stems and need a support to stand. They are called climbers. Some examples of climbers are pea plant and grapevine. Some plants have weak stems and grow along the ground. They are called creepers. The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Each part of a plant has its own function. Students, who makes food for the plant? Leaves make food for the plant. And the process by which leaf make food for the plant is called photosynthesis. Students, new plants grow from seeds. Students, plants also provide us many useful things like vegetables, fruits, cereals, medicines, spices, oil, perfumes, wood, and oxygen to breathe. Students, now let's revise the question answers. Give two examples of each. Students, you have to write two examples of each. Tree, apple tree, coconut tree. Herb, tulsi, mint. Shrub, rose, hibiscus. Climbers, pea, grapevine. Creepers, pumpkin, watermelon. Question answer. Name the parts of a plant and write function of each. Root. Root keep the plant upright in the soil. It takes up water and minerals from the soil. Stem. It carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Leaves. Leaves make food for the plant. Flowers. Flowers change into fruits. Seeds. New plants grow from seeds. How are plants useful to us? Plants are useful to us as they provide us oxygen to breathe, food, medicines, wood. How do leaves make food for the plant? Green leaves make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. How do seeds grow into new plants? Seeds have a baby plant inside them. When seeds get the right amount of water, air and sunlight, they grow into a new plant. Write the difference between herbs and shrubs. Herbs. Very small plants with soft stems are called herbs. Example, tulsi, mint. Shrubs. Plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Example, rose, hibiscus. Write the difference between climbers and creepers. Climbers. Plants which have weak stems and need a support to stand are called climbers. Example, bitter gourd and pea. Creepers. Plants which have weak stems and grow along the ground are called creepers. Example, muskmelon, watermelon. What are cereals? Cereals are food grains like wheat and rice. Define photosynthesis. Green leaves make food for the plant with the help of water, sunlight, minerals, and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. So, these are some questions for you for your revision test. Question first, answer the following questions. How do seeds grow into new plants? Write the difference between climbers and creepers. Question 2, define cereals, photosynthesis. Question 3, filling the blanks. The part of the plant which makes food is the very small plants with soft stems are called. Question 4, true or false? All fruits can be eaten. Roots make food for the plant. Students, I hope this sample question paper will help you in your revision. Thank you.